Hey guys, it's that time of year again whenever you need to make sure and disconnect that hose from your spigot. What I have here is a hose bib, silcock, water spigot, whatever you may want to call it. This one did have a hose connected to it. It froze and bust on a client's home that we repaired. So what happens is the water in your hose will freeze, work its way up into this copper line. This copper line will expand and burst just like what you have right here. You may not see it immediately. What'll happen is whenever you go back in the spring, weather warms up, you may be washing your car, watering your plants, whatever it is, turn this hose on, you're outside, while inside your home, this pipe is spraying water inside of your wall, causing thousands of dollars of damage. We've seen several jobs where a small break in a pipe just like this can cause $10, $20, $30, $50,000 worth of damage in a home. When an unfortunate event like this may happen to you, you don't have to go with your insurance carrier's preferred vendor or who they say you have to use. Reset Restoration, we are a local service provider. We don't have to answer to any bigwig across the country. We are here, we make our own decisions. We are working for the client. We do not work for your insurance company. Do not settle for the rest. Reset your property with the best.